everyone, my name is Sinan. Today I make rain and cloud. I have ice, jar, and water. This water is hot. One, we put the hot water in the jar. Then we put the ice on top of the jar. Water is flying up. They see the ice and they make a rain. They stop.
Look at that, look at that.
Look at that. It's cloud. Cloud? This cloud is a make a rain.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I see rain. It's rain. Look. It's rained on top. They run away. Did you see that? It's rain. Rain's on top of the ground. Look, rain is on top of the ground too. They fall. It's cloud. This cloud is making rain. Look, do you see that? I can see that. Can I eat ice, Mom?
Yeah. Rain is falling down. Rain is falling down. Rain is falling down.
Look, this rain is falling down. The warm air move up. It's cool. Cooler temperature. Then contest and come back down as rain.
Rain is falling down.
The rain is falling down. Look. Rain, go away. Brother, want to pray. I see a rain's coming. I run away.
Okay, so interesting.
Wow, it's hot of the water.
Okay.
It rains on top. It's falling down. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye. See you next time. Thanks for watching.